What is going on, guys? My unit looks like something's exploded, so I'm just gonna sort that situation out now. But today we are filming a cash collection. I'm not gonna lie to you, I really don't want to do anything today. Okay guys, so I've filled the boxes up ready for the day. I am just about to head out to the wholesalers. Yes, that's where I'm going first. I'm going to head to the wholesalers. Got a few items that I need to go and pick up, and then we are going to start the day. I think I've got around maybe 5 or 6 machines to go and fill up today and go and collect some cash from. So let's go. Okay, home slices. I think I might go to Hancock's because I do need Coke cans and Red Bull. So I think I might go there because I do get it cheaper there. So might go there first. And then I'll go Best Ways. It's only 20 to 10, so got a little bit of time. So let's go.
Getting both of them at the same
Um, the coffee machine was the only thing that had coins in it, as you saw from the footage. And that is due to the fact that the coin mech last week was jammed because the Rondo machine isn't taking coins very well. So they haven't used the coins this week because I think they still think it's jammed. We're gonna go to the next place now. It is it's just like a big transport place. So let's go. Okay guys, just rocking up to the next location. This has got a Bevmax machine in, a big old snack machine, and a coffee machine. So I don't think the coffee machine will have done much, to be honest. The snack machine normally does the most here, and then the drink machine, I can see that hasn't done too much this week, so should be in and out of it pretty quick. So let's go. Oh, also this one doesn't take cash. This one's card only, so actually not collecting any cash from here. Okay guys, next location is a factory. 2 machines. I need to hurry up because I think I'm blocking people in. Let's go. Okay guys, last location for today is an office building. I am going to continue this vlog for tomorrow as well, so don't worry, it's not going to be this short.
For people like Mary Nelson, who she wants to use it. I've just cleared so much shit out with her.
Okay guys, I've just emptied the bag. I'm about to head to the last site. It doesn't open till 5 o'clock. So I've had to empty the bag because it's already full and my back is breaking from carrying it. So yeah, I'm gonna go head there now. So guys, mum doesn't want to be shown on camera, but she's currently counting me cash. Because she's saving me some time so I can go and get some work done. So I will get back to you when my mother has counted me cash. So I'll see you in a second. Okay guys, I have just been filming on my phone because my camera's in my bag. I'm not gonna lie, I can't bother pulling it out. Mum's just pulled the old digits out. So altogether we have £656.94. So not bad. I think we only hit around 10 machines. Maybe 10 locations. I don't know. You guys know. Between 10 and 12. So if you've enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment and subscribe if you are new. We are trying to hit 10k followers by the end of the year. We are currently in September. It's like 3 more months left. I reckon we can do it. It's going to be a push, but I reckon we can do it if I keep grinding. So if you guys can help me out and subscribe, I appreciate it. So I will see you in the next video. Peace.